Hi guys, my name is Taiwo Segun Jeffrey. I'm the freelance guy, and today's video I actually want to show us what are the other ways to make money online. What are the other ways to make money online? Like 4 ways to make money online. So number one is become a freelancer. So how do you become a freelancer? Once you are able to have a digital skills and you know about, probably you are a web developer, you are a content writer, you are a email marketing and all that, then you can sign up for those freelancing platform. We have Upwork, we have Fiverr, we have freelancing.com and all that. So you can sign up from them and then set up your profile and boom, you start selling. You create your gig and start selling. So number two is to become a YouTuber. So who are the YouTuber? A YouTuber, they are people that have a channels in training people about a particular niche. You can have your own particular niche and start training people about it and all that. And one of the things that once you're able to have like 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, then boom, you can start monetizing your channel from there, right? Then number three is becoming an affiliate marketer. So let me tell you the secret about the affiliate marketing. You know, there was this days that one of my friends, when we were in school then, so this my friend is actually a digital marketer. That time I've not actually good in freelancing as at that time. So it was a digital marketers, and then we normally have a platform, CRM platform, that we built a funnel. So like we have Kajabi, we have ClickFunnels, we have Guru Funnel, we have Get Response and all that. So those platform, he didn't know that he can sign up for the affiliate link and then send it to people, send it to the clients, because the clients actually, some of them will say, can you recommend me a particular CRM platform where I can manage, like one of the best CRM platform, right? So instead of him, I will have actually generated the link and start sending it to them and saying, I recommend this ClickFunnels, I recommend Guru Funnel, I recommend Kajabi and all that. Send it to them, but he didn't know until one day, on one fateful day, that he was able to come up with the information. That's why information is very important. So he was able to come up with the information and boom, he start generating it and start selling it to people. And from there, there are some people, they are still renewing their those funnels. They are making money on that funnel and they are renewing it. And the more they renew it, the more this guy is getting crazy money from there. So that's the benefit about the like affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketer, they are people that promote other people's brand in return or in expense of having the commissions, right? So another thing is you can also become a self ebook publishing. You can start publishing book on Amazon. They call them Amazon KDP. So once you are able to, it's not necessary that you can start writing the book yourself. You can use ChatGPT to write books. That's why ChatGPT is there. You can use ChatGPT to generate topics. You can use ChatGPT to generate books, ebooks. It will give you the format. Use ChatGPT to do the formatting and all that, and make it perfect. From there, you can start selling. So don't wait on when I go and learn how to create an ebook, how to write, how to do this, how to do that. The only thing is, once you are able to have one of little skills about writing, boom, you can start selling. You can start selling on Amazon KDP and on Amazon, publishing your books, design a cover and all that, and boom, you start selling. So these are the other ways that you can use to make money. There are many ways. There are many ways. You can also become even a blogger. You can become a blogger, sign up with a particular what's it called, sign up with a particular website and set up your own personal website, and from there you start writing blogs, writing about articles and all that. So there are many ways that you can use to make money online. So I'm just mentioning but few. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. In the next video, I will actually be narrowing down on those skills and what are the requirements that you actually needed to do and all that. So I'll tell us so many things about these skills that I've actually mentioned, like other things that will make money. So thank you so much. My name is Taiwo Segun. Once again, I'm the freelance guy. So thank you. Peace out. I love you.